Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Forte versus Hyundai Elantra. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and safety aspects to help you decide which compact sedan best fits your needs. Discover how these popular models stack up in terms of engine options, fuel efficiency, and overall driving feel. We'll also explore their infotainment systems and available driver assistance technologies, ensuring you have all the details for an informed choice. When it comes to performance, both the Kia Forte and Hyundai Elantra offer a standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 147 horsepower. This provides a balanced and efficient ride for daily commutes. You'll find similar fuel economy across both models, with combined MPG ratings typically ranging from 30 to 34. For those seeking more power, both vehicles also offer available turbocharged engine options with higher horsepower, enhancing the driving experience. Inside, both the Forte and Elantra prioritize comfort and connectivity. The Kia Forte comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen display, while the Hyundai Elantra also offers an 8-inch touchscreen on its base models. Both sedans provide essential smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to access your apps and navigation. Higher trims in both lines offer larger 10-25-inch touchscreens and additional premium features for an elevated cabin experience. Both the Forte and Elantra offer impressive safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, giving you peace of mind on the road. They consistently earn high safety ratings from organizations like the IAS and NHTSA. When considering value, the Forte often presents a slightly lower starting price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice will depend on personal preferences for styling and specific feature sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.